Hi CSE takers, welcome to my channel. For today's video, let's talk about similar fractions. This is actually addition of similar fractions. So ano nga ba yung similar fractions? Are fractions with the same denominator. So ibig sabihin magkakapares yung denominator natin. So we have 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and 7 over 8. As we observe, magkakapares yung denominator natin. Ibig sabihin similar fractions to or like fractions. Okay? So, paano nga ba tayo nag-add ng similar fractions? To add similar fractions, add all the numerators and copy the denominator. Okay? So, let's answer the question number 1. What is the sum of the following fractions? 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 over 5 plus 11 over 5. Okay, solution. So, we have 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 over 5 plus 11 over 5. Sabi natin sa rule, to add similar fractions, add all the numerators, then copy the denominator. Okay? So, take note, mangyayari lang to kapag magkapares tayo ng denominator natin. Okay? So, just copy. So, add only the numerators. 3 plus 2 equals 5 plus 6, 11 plus 11, 22 over 5. Okay, so tignan natin yung 22 over 5 dito. So, that is 5 over 22 different from 22 over 5. So, this time, since we come up with improper fraction, so what do we know about improper fraction? Is a fraction whose numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay, so meaning, we need to express the improper fraction to a mixed number or mixed fraction. So, ano naman yung mixed fraction or mixed number? A combination of a whole number and a fraction. Okay, so meaning, eto guys, i-divide natin yan. Okay, so 22, yan, divided by 5. So, 22 is our dividend, 5 is the divisor. Okay? So, how many 5 are there in 22? Diba? We have 4. Tama? Kasi, 4 times 5, we have 20. Okay. And then, subtract 22 minus 20, that is 2. Right? So, guys, dito, ito ay tinatawag nating quotient. Very good. Okay. Quotient. And then, this will be your very good remainder. So, ito yung divisor natin, right? So, dito guys, ayan. So, we have quotient. Yung quotient natin, magiging whole number natin. Okay, so 4. And then, yung remainder serves as our numerator. 4 and 2 over. And then, yung divisor, which is 5, it serves as our denominator. Okay, so 4 and 2 over 5. So, tignan natin to guys. Yung 4 and 2 over 5, so which is letter B. So, therefore, kapag pinag-add natin to guys, 3 over 5 plus 2 over 5 plus 6 over 5 plus 11 over 5, that is actually equal to 4 and 2 over 5. Gets? Okay, so, in item number 2, kindly comment your answer. Okay, so thank you for watching.